Burjee. When I think of burjee, it means freshest of the ingredients. Whether it is, egg burjee, gobi, aloo, and my favorite is paneer burjee. Not with grated paneer, burjee that is made with fresh milk. It is easiest, tastiest, and anything that is made fresh, I just love it. I love the flavors, I love the aroma, I love the taste. When I go to restaurants and I'm not really sure about the quality of the food that is served there, I ask for burjee. Most of the times, they can't say no. Just freshly cut onions, tomatoes, chili, some coriander or any greens made with eggs or paneer or something like that. It would be good. Curdling of milk is very easy. Boiling milk and little bit of vinegar or lime juice. Lime juice is my preferred choice, but if you don't have, you can add vinegar. Just add vinegar and the milk is curdled. But do not add too much, just the right amount. Now you can see it started curdling. Switch off the flame. I will let this milk curdle as is. In no time it will be done. In the meantime, I am going to make the mixture, that is onion, tomatoes. Jeera, if I add butter, it can get discolored. Let the cumin seeds roast a little bit. Freshly chopped ginger, not ginger garlic paste. Garlic and onion. You can add a lot of onion for burjees. Now if you add butter, it's not going to burn. Add butter. Let these onions sweat a bit. In this, add freshly chopped green chili, little bit of turmeric and salt. Some chili powder and tomatoes. The fresh aroma from these ingredients is what going to make your dish very tasty. My preferred choice for a burjee is something green. Lot of coriander. Today I am going to add some methi leaves, tender methi leaves. Add little bit of methi, that will make it even more refreshing. That methi will make it awesome whether you're eating with roti or even with rice. Now the paneer. Freshly curdled paneer. Some of the moisture is come and the paneer you got to make the burjee fresh. What can be fresher than this in life? Processed and grated paneer is not fresh. Curdling like this is fresh. And the water we're going to use for cooking rice. And keep it a little bit moist. Do not make burjees dry. Keep it a little bit moist. Look at it. A little bit moist. That will keep it nice, juicy and perfect. The aroma, the flavors from this is awesome. This is what is called fresh burjee. I'm going to make ghee rice in a pressure cooker. Add some ghee, some shahi jeera, some cashew nut, onion and some mint. Once they are sauteed, add whey water. The same water what we got of curdling the milk. Add salt. For 1 cup of rice, I added 2.5 cups of whey water. In this, add rice. I'm not adding basmati rice. If you want, you can make it with basmati rice. Mix it once and put the lid on. 1.5 whistle. That means even before the second whistle goes off full, put it off, switch off the flame and wait for 5-7 minutes and your rice will be nice and perfect. Along with that freshly curdled milk paneer burjee, it will be good. Ghee rice. Perfect. Perfect. The paneer burjee, make sure it is a little bit moist. And always a chili, a lime, a little bit of onions, and for the freshness, some coriander. Easy peasy and very tasty. Everything hot, fuming hot. You can have artificial flowers around you, but food has to be fresh. Vahchef loves anything that is fresh. My goodness. When you know it's freshly made, the aroma automatically increases. When you have a nut here and there, this nut goes crazy. For me, the mantra of life is eat fresh. When you eat fresh, you can actually feel it, and others can actually notice it.